What's going on, people? Now, have you ever been walking through some grass and then you have to be oh the crap, man, you're just skipping over a big pile of dog doo-doo. When your dog doo-doos, pick the thing up. Because I know I'm not the only one that stepped in dog doo-doo before. One time I was there walking to school and then boom, I step into it. I'm there sitting down in class and everyone is like, oh, what is so ting? That's emotional damage right there, people. And if you're walking through the grass, now you're all paranoid and everything you're looking at, even if it's dirt, you're saying, is that doo-doo? That look like doo-doo. It causes paranoia. So this is not no light thing we're dealing with, people. This is serious business. Just the other day, I was walking up the street with all the swag that I had. I walked past the plaza, past the old folks home, walking past the church in the corner. Then I arrived at the mall, and could you believe it? On my little trip, my 10-minute trip, I counted 14 doo-doos. On the sidewalk, people. Not even on the grass. 14 doo-doos.
Lot of mercy.
That is disgusting. Now, my issue is not with the dogs or with the dog lovers. You know, I know there's a lot of dog lovers out there. I personally am not really a dog lover because I'm scared of dogs. Because last time I visited Jamaica, a lot, people, those dogs, yeah. And now, it's not even just dog doo-dooing all over the place. It's cat as well. People is walking their cat. So people, please, before you cause the planet to go in a paranoid state, you know what to do. Pick up the doo-doo. I'm just saying, people. Pick up the doo-doo, pick up the poo, pick up the... And it's even more disgusting when it rains. Because now you're not just dodging a pile of doo-doo. Now you're there happily scratching over a pool of doo-doo. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say about this thing. I had to get this thing off my chest. And let me know your thoughts on this. Have you ever stepped in doo-doo? What should be an appropriate punishment to people that don't poop and scoop? I say fine them $22,000. That would cover all the emotional damages caused by people teasing you after you step in it. You have to buy a new pair of shoes because washing it just doesn't cut it these days. And if you're going to work, it loses money because you can't be working with doo-doo shoes. I'm just saying, people. Check me on the Facebook, check me on the Twitter. So that's it. I'm done. About to go drink some orange juice. And I'll see you guys on Friday. I'm Leroy Stedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Oh, pick up the poo, pick up the poo. You know what to do. Just pick up the poo, man. Poop and scoop is not rocket science, but they should teach this in schools because seriously,